Are you wanting to reduce the distractions caused by your classroom door? Install a lock block, and today we're going to show you how. With the slide inside the housing and the lettering facing the right way, determine a convenient level at which to place it. Open the door slightly and lay the lock block against the door so that the slide is just slightly back from the edge, maybe 1/8 of an inch. The housing should be moved away from the edge, like this. To test your placement, pull the door closed. The slide shouldn't touch the door frame, but it should prevent the latch from engaging. Clean the surface where you will attach it. Isopropyl alcohol, which is used as whiteboard cleaner or eyeglass cleaner, works great. Dry the surface after it's been cleaned. Now push the door open slightly and remove the red covers from the adhesive tape. Being careful not to let the tape touch the door, align the lock block. When you're satisfied with everything, press on the housing wings where the tape is located and secure the lock block to the door. And that's it! No more bothersome door sounds or students knocking on your door in order to enter the room. Accessible or locked, it's just a slide away.